I have been loving my Hamilton Beach extra wide slot toaster. I actually haven't had a toaster in a couple years. I usually just air fry my like bread and bagels and things, but this has made it so much easier and quicker and one less thing to clean. So I love the extra wide because I usually am eating bagels that are pretty thick, and I hate the skinny slots because then they get stuck in there and then they get burnt and they don't cook evenly. So the extra wide is such a nice little touch. It has 3 buttons: the cancel, bagel, defrost. So I've even put like frozen bread in here and defrosted it. You can do different types of frozen food. Here is the turner for how like shaded you want it or how toasted you want it. So there's 7 different settings. I usually have it on about 3. And then you'll put it down, and based off of your shade control down here is how long it will cook your item. So I'm gonna cook bagel, and then I'll let it cook for a minute. But this thing is so great. It's also beautiful. It's this really pretty blue color. The brand had actually sent me this one to test out. Let me have it keep toasting because I want to show you a couple other features once it's done. Okay, my toast just got done. It is perfect literally every time. Even though it's an extra wide slot, if you just push this up, it comes up pretty far so you can easily grab it if you have like skinnier toast. Look at the perfect golden brown for my bagel. And then the other thing I want to show you is actually on the bottom. So down here is the bread collector, which is super nice. You can just slide this open. I'm not going to do it right now because I have it turned not over a garbage can. But then all of the breadcrumbs will come out. So super convenient. You don't have to tip your toaster upside down and like shake it. You just unhook that little latch and it all comes out, which is genius. But I love this thing. It is awesome.